Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine and staying safe. Today in this video I have tried my best to cover some best fitness bands that are available online. And if you are a techie person, then don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Your subscription inspires us a lot. Mi Band 5. The Mi Band 5 is the latest affordable fitness tracker. It's a slight improvement over 2019's Mi Band 4, with a somewhat upgraded design and a few new health features to keep you motivated. It has a 20% larger AMOLED display at 1.1 inches. It can last 14 days on a single charge. The Mi Band 5 can record your heart rate 24 hours a day, even while you're sleeping. The Mi Band 5 supports more than 100 new watch faces. Above all else, Mi Band 5 is a solid overall fitness tracker, especially for the money. Honor Band 5. The Honor Band 5 is a slim fitness tracker. Honor Band 5 is water resistant up to 50 meter cube and swim proof. Home, office, or gym, you'll find fresh, trendy, and switchable watch faces for every occasion at the brand new Honor Watch Face store. It also uses AI-driven algorithms for high-precision readings and infrared technology. TrueScene 3.0 offers continuous heart rate monitoring, so you stay in the fitness zone longer. Honor Band 5's SpO2 monitor tracks oxygen saturation levels in the bloodstream, so you can assess how your body is adapting during workouts or at high altitudes. A power-efficient, high-performing battery bolstered by system-level optimization means the AMOLED color display is on standby for up to 14 days on a single charge. Samsung Galaxy Fit E. Galaxy Fit E features a compact and simplified display, so you can view all your essential fitness information clearly whenever you need it. With just a flick of the wrist, Galaxy Fit E is compliant with military-level durability standards and has water resistance of 5 atm. You can take your workout outside without having to worry about dust or rain getting in the way. With auto workout tracking, Galaxy Fit E automatically detects 3 activities, including walking, running and dynamic workout. It also sends your heart rate to your phone when you begin an activity through mobile Samsung Health app, so you can easily check and monitor your status. Letscom Smartwatch Fitness Tracker. Meet the Letscom. Everything you've known to love about smartwatches now comes with even more functions and built-in GPS. It also has a 1.3-inch full touch screen. You can also customize its watch faces via the VeryFit Pro app. It also comes with a magnetic charging cable. It also gives you up to 10 days worth of battery life. This fitness tracker comes with lots of built-in features such as music controller, weather forecast, alarms, etc. So indeed it's a great choice for only $36. Fitbit Inspire 2. This easy-to-use fitness tracker packs 24/7 heart rate monitoring, personalized guidance, exclusive insights and sleep tools to make a healthier person. It has up to 10 days battery life. Get call, text, calendar and smartphone app notifications right on your wrist. Notifications and app alerts are available on device when your phone is nearby. The Fitbit Inspire 2 is also water resistant up to 50 meters, and by connecting with your friends via the app you can take part in different challenges, earning badges and celebrating goal milestones. So, if you are looking for an affordable fitness band with good battery life and with lots of fitness tracking features, then undoubtedly this would be a great option for you.